Good morning, children. Welcome to Melu Classroom. Today's lesson is about internal organs of a human body. Okay, internal organs of a human body. Okay, before getting into the topic, let us play Simon Says game. Okay, right. So when I say Simon Says, you have to touch your body part. Which body part I would say? Okay, right. Are you all ready? Yes. Simon Says, touch your head. Yes, and now Simon says, touch your fingers. Okay, Simon says, touch your hand. Simon says, touch your lungs. Oh, what is this lungs? You never know that, right? Okay, I'll tell you. Next, Simon says, touch your mouth. Yes. Now Simon says, touch your neck. Simon says, touch your heart. Where it is? It's not seen outside, right? You cannot touch it. Okay, skip it. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your ears. Simon says, touch your kidneys. What is this? We don't know, right? Yes, children, you all did a wonderful job, but you were not able to touch your heart, your lungs, and your kidneys. Why? Did you ever think of it? You know the body parts up till now from head to toe, and they're all seen outside, right? You can touch your head, you can touch your eyes, nose, mouth, ears, neck, hands, and your upper body, then your lower body, legs, feet, foot, toes, all these, right? But there are some other body parts which are internally inside the body. They are called internal organs of the body. Those you cannot touch. But you know, children, they play very important role in your life. Okay, so let us understand one by one and what is their role in the daily life. I am going to tell you. Okay, are you all excited? Yes, I am also very excited to teach you all these, children. So let us see on the screen. The first internal organ that has to be learned is our lungs. Okay, lungs. So these lungs are very important when you breathe in and breathe out. Okay, children. So how you breathe in? Show me. Right? Out. So when you take the air inside, the lungs will expand because the air is going to your lungs. When you are taking the air, where it is going? It is going to our lungs. And when you are breathing out, that is exhaling, the air is coming out from the lungs. Okay? And what does it mean? Why the air has to go into the lungs and come back? Yes, it is very important because when a person is living means he is taking oxygen. So where is the oxygen? In the environment, right? In the environment we have oxygen. So when we are breathing in, the oxygen is going to our lungs and the carbon dioxide is coming out from lungs to outside. Okay, children? So to keep this lungs very safely, what we must do? We have to sit calmly and you have to observe your inhale and exhale. It is a very good practice. Lung full of air and release. If you do every day for about 5 times, you will be very, very healthy, children. Okay? This is called lungs. This is called lungs. And the next one is our brain. Brain. So inside our head, you will have your brain. Do you know walnut, children? Did you ever eat walnut dry fruit? It's something more or less like a brain in the head. And this is the master of the body, because your thoughts, your thinking, everything starts from the brain. Okay, now you get up and walk. Means the signal goes to the brain and it orders you, yes, you get up and walk. So every single instruction comes from the brain only, children. Okay, so it is called the master of the body. It controls the total system of your body. Okay, and now this is liver. Liver is called the largest gland of the body and it helps in the digestion of the food. Okay, and we should not strain this liver, children. Okay, that's why eat small amounts regularly. Do not eat heavy meals and don't give a long pass. Okay, so in order to keep your liver healthy, eat healthy food. Okay, now the next internal body part is heart. Heart. This is one such important internal organ where it pumps the blood and it circulates the blood throughout our body. Okay, in the blood, the oxygen also goes to each and every part of our body so that every part will be working very efficiently. So, heart is very important internal organ which pumps the blood. And now it is intestine. This internal organ is called intestine. Intestine we have two parts, children. In intestine we have two parts, large intestine and small intestine. So these two intestines also helps in the digestion and absorption of the nutrients. Intestine helps in absorbing the nutrients from our food. Okay, so you are eating many nutrients, right? But where it will be absorbed into the body? Intestine is one of the helping organ which will absorb all the good nutrients from the body, from the food. And the last one is bladder. What is bladder? So we have eaten something and the waste will be collected, right? So the waste collection and releasing from the bladder. Okay, children, that is also very important. If you do not throw the waste from your body, what will happen? Your body will become a trash can, right? If you do not clean the trash can, what happens? A small germs will start growing, right? So this is a very important activity that one must flush out the waste material. So who will collect? Like our dustbin in the house, bladder is something like that. Okay, but we have to keep it clean by throwing the waste outside. Okay, children, these are all the very important internal organs which helps in our efficient working style. These are all very important internal organs which will help us to stay healthy. Okay, the first one is lungs, brain, liver, heart, intestine and bladder, right? So now hope you understood what is each organ name and what is the important job that they do, right? Now after knowing this, let us do one activity. Right. Now we have some questions with options. Let us read the statement and we'll put a tick mark to the right option. This organ is called the master of human body. Master of human body is? Right, it's a brain. So we have given with brain. liver and kidney as options. So let us put a tick mark to brain. This organ takes out all the waste in the form of urine. This is bladder, brain and kidney. So it is a bladder, right? Yes. These are also known as guts of bowels, intestines, heart, bladder. So the right option is intestine. It pumps blood through the body. So heart, brain, intestine. Who pumps the blood? It is heart. Right. So for today, this is about internal organs of the body, children, and in future classes you will be knowing more and more about it. Okay. But right now you have understood the internal organ name and its job, right? So this is all about the lesson for today. You keep practicing and read many times. Okay children, you keep doing that. I am going to see you in the next class. Bye bye.